Hello. So I wanted to talk a little bit about sprouting sugarcane and some of my adventures with sugarcane. And so here we go in the video. Thanks for watching. All right, so these are the sugarcane seeds that I ordered online. Ordered them on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description. And I love sprouting things with my sprouter that you see here in the background. Right now I have Malabar spinach sprouting, and I have a peach pit that I took the seed out from inside of the pit. And so I'm trying to sprout it in here. This creates a humid environment that it still allows oxygen in so things don't rot. So it prevents rotting but allows things to sprout. It's mostly people that grow microgreens, microgreens like clover or alfalfa. Put it on sandwiches, bean sprouts, mung beans, whatever. You can put them in there and it sprouts them without them smelling bad. I like using it for pretty much starting all my seeds. And I'll just sprout them to the point where they crack open and I can make sure that they're viable. If they don't crack open in a couple days, then they're usually not viable. Some things take longer to sprout. I think these have been in here actually for 3 days, so I'm hoping they're viable. We'll see what happens. I've heard Malabar spinach can take a while to sprout, so anyway, this is my method for sprouting my sugarcane seeds, and it seems to be working. And I'll show you what they look like now. They're about 2 weeks old or so. They just look like grass, so we'll look at that now. So here on the furthest left, you can see the sugarcane. Ignore the plants to the right. Those are just passion fruit. So the sugarcane's already been growing for, I think it's about a week actually. I said 2 weeks, but I think it's actually been a week. And they're doing pretty good, it seems. I'm kind of conditioning them to be outside because I've grown them inside, and so now I'm putting them outside. It's pretty hot in Arizona. The ones in my flower bed, these are the ones that I direct seeded into my garden bed. And I've just been kind of sticking the seeds in. You can actually see an exposed seed right there, but this is what the sugarcane looks like. It looks similar to wheat, in my opinion, at this stage. Or maybe a little bit like corn. I'm going to push this in the ground, cover it up with dirt. That's one that got uncovered, probably by the sprinklers or the hose. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.